Okay, grade ones for math today. You will need a deck of cards or just a bunch of cards with numbers, but deck of cards is good. And as always, we take our face cards out, our king, our queen, our jack, our joker if we have one, and aces you can keep in if you'd like. They mean one, but if that's confusing too, you can take them out and not use them. You'll also need a whiteboard or a piece of paper. I have a whiteboard. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn about numbers that are bigger and smaller. So if I put two numbers out, already I bet you know which number is bigger. Do you know? 9 is bigger, it has more, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 has more. Now, there's a special symbol that lets us know which one is bigger, okay? So, it looks like this. It's like a sideways V. And what it does is this side points to the bigger one. I think of it like an alligator wants to eat more. So it looks like an alligator chomping the 9 because it wants to eat more. So what we're going to do with this though is we're actually going to make an alligator. So on your whiteboard or piece of paper, you can make a sideways V, or if that's hard, you could even just twist your paper and make a V first. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it a little bit thicker even because I want my alligator to be really thick. Okay, so you make a V and then you could just put it sideways. And then alligators have teeth. So make other little tiny V's inside on both sides. You can add an eye if you'd like. It will be upside down sometimes though. So I'll just make like a rainbow with a dot inside, and do you see how it looks like an alligator chomping? Okay, so then I take my deck of cards and I put 2, and we'll see which one is bigger. Oh, I won't do that yet. So I put on both sides. I have a 6 and I have a 10. Which one is bigger? Do I want to eat 6 cookies or do I want to eat 10 cookies? 10. So you would flip it so the alligator is eating that 10. Okay? If, like I went and I pulled a 6 and a 6, which one is bigger? They're the same. So on a separate piece of paper or on the bottom, you can do an equal sign. So if it is the same, you put it down here. Okay? Because 6 and 6 is the same. So then I grab my next 2 cards. Oh, a 10 and a 6. Again, these cards. So I put it on both sides. And I want my alligator to eat the bigger number. Is 6 bigger or is 10 bigger? 10 is bigger, so we keep our alligator eating the 10. It goes like this, eating the 10. Okay. And I just keep going like that. I grab my next set of cards. I have a 5. I'm just going to shuffle a little bit. And a 9. Okay, so my 9 is here. My 5 is here. Which one is bigger, 5 or 9? 9 is bigger, so I have to switch my alligator. Put my 9 here. And put my 5 here, because I want to eat the 9. Now, when we do math, it's not, like on a worksheet, it's not always going to be alligator like this. It just looks like I showed you like this. It doesn't have teeth. So it can go that way, or it can go that way. So you just have to kind of remember that it looks like an alligator. So we put the small end on the tail, and then the bigger number goes where the alligator would eat it, like that. So that's math today. Just practice with some cards and your alligator eating the bigger number. Okay, I hope that goes well. And you can send me a picture if you like, or you can just practice it at home. Next week, I'm going to have seesaw activity where you fill in the alligator on seesaw. But today you're just practicing on a whiteboard or with a piece of paper. Thanks for doing math at home, and I'll talk to you soon.